Hello my people, how na dey also na dey fine. My people, this video where I see so I need to bring am come for una make una listen, una hear wetin dey happen for inside here. Things dey happen for life oh. Inside life things dey happen. Una see this video where I go play for una, so abeg make una watch am, make una help me share and leave your opinion for there. This lady wey be say e get Bob Marley, so this one wey be say dey near where Ogbalegbe dey, so now she be the mother of the pikin wey be say they sell. They said he sell the pikin. Say the person wey give am belle, the person say he no need pikin, make he go remove am. Now she can't carry the belle, she can't born her. So after she don't born her, she can't realize say she no go fit take care of that pikin. So person wey be say come dey take care of her, he come dey stay with some, come dey stay with some people. Una go hear everything for inside. They come dey stay with some people for there. So they know say he get belle, remain small make e born. So now they come see say, this girl, your belle be like say you don't born. Where pikin? Where you carry the pikin go? Wetin happen? So now she come like talk to them, say he get person wey contact and say they need pikin. Can you imagine? That is baby factory. Now they do. You go see person wey be say they in need, then go carry that pikin from him hand, then go sell am. So this woman wey be say dey for the center, so wey wear black and white cloth, so now she be the person wey be say he follow this woman wey wear pink buy the pikin. So this woman wey be say dey for the center, so she say she pay 4 million naira to that woman wey be say he wear pink. Okay. So wetin this woman come do now? This woman I contact this lady wey be say he born the pikin. He can't tell am say as far as say you no fit trade that pikin, we go make you sell am for me. I go give you 600,000. You know say Nigeria, now they don't hear about money, they not worry you. Even their papa said they go sell am. So far may you give them that money. Now this guy can say problem not there. He go give you the pikin. So now this woman come tell and say, if the person give me money to give you, then you go still find something give me. Not knowing say this woman wey dey for this center, so he don't give this woman 4 million naira. And this woman Nana, he want give this guy 600 out of 4 million naira. He still tell the girl, say make the girl find something give am. The girl say he give am 30,000 and be 50,000. After she don't collect that big money. And this one where she dey do, so now something wey be say not supposed to do. Things they happen, my people. Things they happen for inside this our country where we dey, so something they happen. So now the Ogbalegbe come they ask this guy, say wetin make you do am? Pikin wey be say dey for 11 days, you newly born am. You understand? She never even strong, nothing. Make we listen to this video, my people. Make we listen together. Things they happen,
I am SPA Dr. Bright, and this is Delta State Police Command. We've come to realize that the business of baby factory is on the increase, and we are going to fight it head on. The other day, we saw 3 women who were about transporting 3 different babies to Abuja through Asaba International Airport. Thank God they were caught and they were arrested. Today, we are having 3 suspects. This is the mother of a child who is a week and few days old. She gave the child to this woman, and this woman sold that child to this woman for the sum of 4 million naira. Though she claimed it was 3.5 million naira she collected, the person who bought said she bought for 4 million naira. The mystery about this whole thing is that the lady who sold for 4 million or 3.5 million as it claims gave the mother of the child not even up to 600,000. When the mother of the child went back to the people who were taking care of her while she was pregnant, they noticed that she was no longer carrying the baby in her womb. When they asked her, where is your baby? That was when she now opened up that she sold the baby for 600,000 naira. Lo and behold, she was arrested. The person who we suspected was also arrested. She was that one who now told us that no, she handed over the lady to this particular woman for a reason which we are not going to make public for now, because she believed that this woman would be able to take care of her. She never knew that the woman would take advantage of this whole situation and make money out of it. So we'll be interviewing them now, but before we do that, I would like us to see the baby, because we have the baby here. Okay, as you can see, this is the baby that the mother gave away. This child, she's not even up to 2 weeks old. the mother gave this child away without being breastfed. I asked the person who bought, and she said what they intend to do is to grow the baby with baby food. This is the baby that the mother is alive. Well, I don't know what we are turning into. Let's go and interview the mother of the child, the seller, and also the receiver. My friend, what is your name?
My name is Rachel.
Try and be audible.
My name is Rachel.
Rachel, you are from where? How old are you?
I'm 25.
How many children do you have?
I have one.
One.
A boy.
A boy. This one you just gave birth to is what's her gender? She's a girl. Okay. Then when did you give birth to this baby?
27.
27. Okay, so why did you give the baby away?
I give the baby away because I'm the only one that the father of the child denied me.
Okay, the father of the child denied you.
Yes.
Okay, who took care of you when you were pregnant?
I took care of myself I struggled because I was going to people's compound to clean, to do some chores. I'm the one that took care of myself.
Okay, so who took you to this lady now?
It was one Miss Patrick.
Okay, one Mrs. Patrick. Okay, when he was taking you to her, was she aware that you wanted to sell the child?
I told her that let her help me, that I don't have, my hand is not strong enough to carry two babies to be training.
Okay, how much was your child sold?
And she gave me 600, but she said I should settle her, this and that.
Who gave you 600?
This woman.
Which woman? Point to me.
My people, me I don't understand all these people. Now woman supposed to dey take care of himself. When you no want pikin, you need some, you know what you supposed to do. Now me I no understand all these people wey be say they understand something. If you no need pikin now, you know what you supposed to do. Prevention. Take care of yourself. No be say you go come born her, you can't go give her to anybody. Oh God, though, why not they do like this now? If you know why even like you know what take care of that pikin, carry and go carry task. Carry and go all these people wey be say some people they will really need pikin. Why you go sell pikin, give am to another person before you know that pikin? You know they feel and say, oh, you don't know where it dey now. Wait, I don't know, shall maybe we just listen.
This lady, the fair one.
The fair one.
On pink.
Okay, so you should settle her inside that 600.
Yes, the hospital bill, and I gave her 30.
You know, so what came to you now is 570,000.
Yes.
Okay, I will come back to you. Madam, how much did you sell that baby?
35.
What's 3.5?
3.5.
3.5 what?
A million.
3.5 million naira.
Yes, sir.
So how much did you give to the mother of the child?
600.
And she said she gave you 30,000 naira again.
No, that was the money she took from me earlier on before that day.
So why would you sell a baby for 3.5 million and give the mother of the child less than give the mother of the child 600,000?
She said that she want to do her business.
So the remaining 4.9 million now, where is it?
3.
3 points. So you sold for 2.5. Okay, the remaining 2.9 million naira, where is it?
It's there. I did not touch it. I just only remove.
Where is in your account?
It's in my account.
In your account.
I didn't touch it.
Who you sold the baby to? Who you said the pikin give?
This woman.
This woman. She sold to her for how much?
35.
3.5 million naira. Okay, this child, how old is this child?
A week 1 day now. I think 11 days.
Does it make any sense to take a baby from the mother, a child that is supposed to be going through the process of breastfeeding?
She said that she don't want to breastfeed because she want to remove she don't need that relationship.
Okay, don't you know the legal process of giving up a child?
I knew because I gave her. I knew that I gave her the paper and I called a lady. I gave her.
You are the one that want to expose yourself now. You understand?
I was doing it.
You are the one that want to expose yourself now. You understand? And you know what I'm saying? What I'm saying. One thing is to commit a crime. One thing is to know that you have committed a crime. One thing is to do bad, and one thing is to realize that what you have done is bad. You sold a child for 3.5 million and gave the mother 600,000. Okay, ma. You are from where, ma?
I'm from Ika.
Ika. So how did you approach this woman here that you wanted the child?
When there is a lady in my area that I told her that I want to adopt a child in a legit way.
In a legit way?
Yes.
Okay,
then she now said,
in as much as you like us to tell us many things, most of those things will be in your schedule because I'm managing time. Just tell me for short, how much did you pay for that child?
4 million.
4 million. Who did you give the money to?
This lady.
Touch her. Okay. So you gave her 4 million naira.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And she told you the child was how old?
She said he's a day old.
If you really want to get a child through the legal way, who told you that you have to pay so much to get that child? What are the documents you signed before the child was given to you?
She told me that the document is in process, that she will bring it. Then later, she
Were you taken to any
showed me.
orphanage home, or were you taken to Ministry of Women Affairs in the whole process?
No, she told me that she.
Forget about what she told you. Were you taken to any of these offices before the child was given to you?
No.
Okay, thank you. You say you are from where again?
From Ika.
Ika, how old are you?
I'm 42.
Do you have a husband?
Yes.
Is he aware of this thing that you did?
I told him.
Okay. Okay, well, because I'm trying to manage my time, I will not be able to.
My people, wahala dey oh. Wahala dey. This woman, you get 4 million naira for hand. Why you not go all this where the all these children where be say they not get papa, they not get mama, they there for orphanage. Why you not go there? I know abi una dey fear to go there. Me, I no understand though. You go there, go carry one. You go come be like your own, trainer like your own. Pikin wey be say dey for 11 days, wey be say still need the mama. It's supposed to they drink breast, they drink milk for a mama breast. Now wash out. You see this woman, this one. Collect 4 million naira. He give the woman wey carry the wey born the pikin 600. He even collect 30,000 for inside that 600. No be small thing oh. Like people, as I see this video, I need to bring a call. Something they really they happen for that our Nigeria, because I don't understand. I beg women, if una don't say una dey follow man, they go. Una no dey use pikin till they tie am down. You see, now they cause all these things so. If man dey friend you, no mean say you must born for am. Now if the man say he need, good and fine. No be say you just tell am say, maybe una just know una say 2 or 3 weeks. You tell am say you get belle. The man go wrong. Now they cause all these things now. This woman now, this one where they here, if I get one pikin, he can't go carry another belle. Now make am come say he want go remove, he want go sell that one. I don't understand. If this pikin can't grow tomorrow, it can't be somebody where be say that they hear a name. You say that one na my pikin. You go care again. Pikin where you know even where you just born, you just carry go. You don't need them. Now wash out. All right, my people. Thank you for watching. God bless you. Help me to love and like and share for me. Bye bye for now.